Okay, tutan kalak tarding mi cho telephone number form pakatin adang form pakata transfer to aning kalak tarlai chu iPhone cha silai iPhone cha long silai dui cha da kalak tar nik tie chon alana chun telephone number kha sim card in mi sim card in ron se makaka telephone number sim card ti kan man mi kha atu iPhone ma chun sim card tilo digital se macha chon sim card karon anga tilo cha makaka zaitinda transfer kan to lai timi kha phun ni nu me phun khat kalak talai phun khat cho na iPhone kha software kha 16 in achong lai iOS 16 achong lai si chon Bluetooth ben tukin transfer to ko se simen sala na form ka alun chang mi si iOS 16 tang asi khan chon telephone call how chu cha chon form na call ti ka atui na man ni na company na same card na lambar company kina call lai makakan hi ka transfer na to lai ikai ka man mi ka h2o si muchuchu h2o mi hi kat te hi kala ke ka man mi si makaka company ka call na atlang pi cha khat di ko lai ma cha khan mi hi same card thi phok i road o ka khan iPhone thara chu same card ti lo cha khan ama form hi le iOS 16 tang se 16 tang kha changa ti lo hi same card te kha se mi same card te he fa te kha si he nahi te he e makaka lambar mi si simen se lo ka hin chon digital se macha khan same card ron na ti lo form number kha ikana man ko ti lo hi chu physical in via same card mi se ni chu digital si cha khan transfer to shim hao makaka zitin da to ni si ti mi ka karak lang tala thailo mi cha silai mo okay mi hi iPhone si ne iPhone thing mi si same card mi se number mi se mi hi cho model out chang mi iPhone thing si hi iPhone thar si iPhone thar lai nga same card ti lo mi se cha khan mi same card number kha ka hin same card lo cha number transfer to ding si kha call loan transfer kan to lam hai chu au line phone number ngai mi si same card mi si physical in same card ka hin hi same card khup na lo cha digital si cha khan transfer to ni kan try na mai si biga hi same card number mi si hi lo mi si ikata kan transfer kan du chen ka hin athar same card lo mi hin setting kan kal na la mo setting khan cellular kha kan bun online set up bun tom salai cellular set up transfer phone number ti mi kha e ma hin transfer from nearby iPhone ti mi kha kan zo na lai QR code ka cho anga ve thiam na in chu transfer kan mi la a call chang a call zai transfer da koi ka number da ti mi kha un call lio I kind of team to transfer a phone number from another iPhone. Make sure your other iPhone is nearby. Unlock. See, unlock and has Bluetooth on and running iOS 16 sila Bluetooth ka on how iOS 16 ka sila Bluetooth ka on talaga Bluetooth on talaga mo Bluetooth on how iOS 16 ka support ka update to how ni kasi ka Bluetooth on ya Bluetooth on chon support hi mi hi mas bika update to tam sa how from big iOS 16 si how si chung kan zo na la tai khori lo we mai hi zaida si ti mi ka bawa hen iOS 15 nga lo ruang cho zai ruang da si ti chon iOS iOS 15.8.4 โอเคไม่เฮอ่างเราจะร้องตั้งเราที่จริงมาเฮ iOS 16นี่จงเลยสิหาว16จริงเราป้าเห็น general about กันจะติงเคน15.8.4 15.8.4 สิจะขัดอ่างเรามาจะจงโคลหาวไม่เฮform he a support he 16 chung asi chunanga asnan he update to ngalo arwak cho ma model he iPhone 6 platform se sao chang ni he same card he ka han ron mi se he ka ten kho ma ka same card physical mi same card number kha phone number kha same card in mi si mi chu form number same card mi cho ikan ron ding city ka hi physical and same card kilo mi digital ase chu cha chon hi 16 in chung lai software se chon tin direct and ron kho se semen so tu software kha niam tok form kha model au tok cha khan kan khol piak lai kan khol la ka han transfer kan to lai ma kha 16 chung si chung foi te ne to kho 16 chung lo nga 16 tang kha cho company no khol lai ma na number I main number hi ti la pin code la last anu bi mi hanin ni chat nak phone call number pathum tukta khanin hal lai ma khan pek ko chung ka hin zero nga ti chun make sure nangma form silo nangma form number silo thai du nak ling khan minong pezet da anu bik no khol na ti mi minong pathum tal anu bik ni chat mi number nin hal lai ni chim kho lai chon pin code ke cho na thai lo nga pai lo reset to pek kho se pi mi cho I main number te por ka hen mo I main number te por ka dam la ti chon nin hal ti ka ni chim di mi cho ka hen model number serial number hen in hal lai chu di noa ICC mai he ICC di ti mila MEID ti mila IMEI ti mi por number hen in hal di te lai ma khan chim di chon transfer nga ko la tu cho ahen lai chang ka transfer chang mi kha ko win lak tar bi si ma kha de tin da khol ni ti mi kha khol leo kha win lak tar lai
then X has an X-ray, the number 9, the letter L has a letter, and W has woman, right?
Yes, the first letter is F. F is for flower something like this.
Oh, okay. So it's 9L, W and F, or 9L F.
Okay, let me repeat, please.
Okay.
I will repeat. The serial number is F. F is for flower. M. M is for monkey. Number 4. And then N. N is for no. 2, 2.
Perfect. Give me a moment. I will verify the information about this phone and I will come back.
All right.
Stay in the line.
All right. Thank you.
For your patience.
Appreciate.
Thank you for your patience, sir. I'm back. The information about your phone is correct. The phone is compatible and unlocked. So let's proceed. In order to move your number to eSIM and to a new device, I will need to confirm ownership first.
All right.
May I have the last 3 outgoing calls that you recently made with this phone line?
Last week phone call number, you need that, right? Okay.
Correct. Calls that you made, not that you received.
All right. The last what number I call is that number you need, right? Okay.
Correct.
The number is 317.
Calls that you made in the last week.
Okay. The last week my call number is 317.
Do you have another one?
Another one also 317 43.
Do you remember when you made this phone call?
Yeah. You want the time?
It was today, yesterday.
I think let me check. This is from today 1:30 p.m.
The area code is 317 also?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Okay, and just to confirm, do you have an email address associated with this phone line?
Oh yeah, normal is NUUNUK. Okay. That number is 890141.
Perfect. Thank you for your patience. All the
Alright.
information was verified.
Alright.
So let's proceed. I will need that you provide me, please, the EID number of your new device.
EID number?
Correct. It's a long number.
Alright. EID is 8900. Too long.
Okay. Could you repeat it once again just to confirm?
Alright. 890440.
Perfect. Okay, stay on the line and I will make the change.
Alright. Alright.
Thank you for your patience.
Alright.
To an eSIM to your new device.
Alright.
You will receive a text message in your old phone with
I
a
see.
link. The call will be disconnected if you press the link, so give me a moment.
Alright.
And I will explain to you how to proceed.
Okay.
Just to confirm, do you receive the text message?
Yes, I am received and I click the link and it's pop up MDN. Yeah, my number.
It's okay. When you press the link, then you will need to press proceed to approve the change. And the number will be moved to your new phone. After that, you will need to go to your phone to activate the eSIM. Do you have a callback number to help you install the eSIM?
No, I don't know. I don't think so.
You only have this phone number?
Yes, I did not remember that effect code because I'm using H2O a lot, so I am not finding that my file. So right now, what should I do?
Well, in this case, you will need to press the link and approve the change. After that, you will need to go to your new phone, go to settings, cellular, and you will need to press the option that says set up cellular.
Okay, let me go cellular. Right. Well, on setting,
Just to confirm,
cellular and okay. Set up cellular, right?
Yes.
And then press the
set up
eSIM.
Correct.
Alright, it's now activating.
Okay, maybe this call will be disconnected, but I will call you back just to confirm that the service is working, okay?
Alright.
Is there anything else that I can help you with today?
No, thank you very much. I really appreciate it, but let call back. Really, make sure. Don't forget.
No, thank you for calling A2O. Remember to follow us in our social media, and you will receive a survey. Just to confirm, do you approve the change with a link, right?
Yes.
Okay, because I see that the eSIM is installed. Let me see.
Yes, right now it's connecting the network.
Perfect. Usually it will take 30 minutes in order to have service with your new phone.
All right.
Well, I will call you back in 30 minutes or an hour in order to confirm that you have service, okay?
Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate today.
You're welcome.
You helped me a lot, and
thank you for your patience, sir.
thank you.
Have a good night.
You too. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye bye. Okay, kahin dan tichang kun mi lai lan ki kahin au cho ngari lo chmo. Okay, tu cho nga min chang lai sim khasi dan ti ko chang okay phi la kan nu than ta le mo. Okay, un nu lai pin number cho klak ta lai lo. Yeah, thank you very much. The service is, I think, working now. Yeah, you can call me. That means it's working, right?
Correct.
Okay, thank you very much. I really
have a good
appreciate it.
night. You're welcome.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, phone number ka activate cái tôi cái này chỉ thu ka lang chang line lang chang. Okay, mà việc ka okay lang chang mà việc ka có bên lạc tập được